Started.
Zombie on the track.
Started from the bottom, now we here. Started from the bottom, now my whole team fucking here. Started from the bottom, now we here. Started from the bottom, now the whole team here, nigga. Started from the bottom, now we here. Started from the bottom, now my whole team here, nigga. Started from the bottom, now we here. Started from the bottom, now the whole team fucking here. I done kept it real from the jump. Living at my mama's house, we'd argue every month, nigga. I was trying to get it on my own. Working all night, traffic on the way home, and my uncle calling me like, where you at? I gave you the keys, so you bring it right back, nigga. I just think it's funny how it goes. Now I'm on the road, $500,000 for a show, and we started from the bottom, now we're here. Started from the bottom, now my whole team fucking here. Started from the bottom, now we here. Started from the bottom, now the whole team here, nigga. Started from the bottom, now we here. Started from the bottom, now the whole team fucking here. Started from the bottom, now we here. Started from the bottom, now the whole team here, nigga. Always tell stories about the man. Say I never struggled, wasn't hungry, yeah, I doubt it, nigga. I could turn your boy into the man. There ain't really much out here that's popping off without us, nigga. We just want the credit where it's due. I'ma worry about me, give a fuck about you, nigga. Just as a reminder to myself, I wear every single chain, even when I'm in the house. Cause we started from the bottom, now we here. Started from the bottom, now my whole team fucking here. Started from the bottom, now we here. Started from the bottom, now the whole team here, nigga. No new niggas, nigga, we don't feel that. Fuck a fake friend, where your real friends at? We don't like to do too much explaining. Story stay the same, I never changed it. No new niggas, nigga, we don't feel that. Fuck a fake friend, where your real friends at? We don't like to do too much explaining. Story stay the same through the money and the fame. Cause we started from the bottom, now we here. Started from the bottom, now my whole team fucking here. Started from the bottom, now we here. Started from the bottom, now the whole team here, nigga. Started from the bottom, now we here. Started from the bottom, now my whole team here, nigga. Started from the bottom, now we here. Started from the bottom, now the whole team here, nigga. Cause we started from the bottom, now we here. Started.
Goddamn, Sam. Thugger. I'm talking about this Thug Thursday 3, man. 2016 shit. All my niggas boss. All my niggas hustlers. All my niggas getting money. All my niggas 100. All my niggas been on. All my niggas stay solid. All my niggas some players. All my niggas then retired. Pulled up, drop head. Pulled out in the spur. So gone on Patron, I forgot to pull out of her. Whole life is a blur. Get money, get high. We have it too expensive, but ain't nothing else I wanna try. Tryna see what else I wanna buy. I'm a fly type of guy. Still feel like I'm winning. You see these fortunes spinning. Feel like I'm back at the beginning. Feel like I keep getting better. When I look at my new bitches, I feel like I keep getting better. Used to roll in the slabs, since deuces and the dabs. Now I can't talk about cars without making them mad. They say I brag too much, cause I talk about stuff they ain't touch. I rap for hustlers, living that boss life like us. Watch out, little bitch.
Damn.
Watch out, little bitch.
Watch out, little hoe. Watch out, little hoe. I been smoking gas out of O. I been counting up, you ain't know. Just checked on my wrist, it's on gold. Damn. Just looked at my chain, it's on froze. Damn. I ain't come over here for nothing. Hell no. Bitch, you know we is fucking. That OG gas, I'm puffing. Running the bands, coming from nothing. Just watch. Check out the ass on my bitch. Damn. She butt naked, whipping the brick. Whip. I might just empty the clip. Chill. Don't come in my truck, take a pic.
Hold up, wait a minute. They done let me through the door. Now my pocket full of dough. Oh no, my life a movie like Blow. I'm icy, my wrist is on snow. She want me, I already know. Fuck the bitch right on the floor. Then after that, she gotta go. Watch how I run up the bands. Pops told me run it up, run it up. Working all night till the sun was up. Now niggas is pissed that we coming up. Jump in the crowd, I be fooling. Like Soho, I'm swerving and zooming. Icy like bitch, we just cooling. Schooling these niggas like students. Shawty, she thick and she fine. Damn. Hit that pussy from behind. Pull out and bust out her spine. If it's good, I hit her one more time. I might. Icy like worldwide, bitch.
Yeah, this album is dedicated to all the teachers that told me I never amount to nothing. To all the people that lived above the buildings that I was hustling from that called the police on me when I was just trying to make some money to feed my daughter.
Yeah.
And to all my peoples in the struggle, you know what I'm saying? It's all good, baby. It was all a dream. I used to read Word Up magazine. Salt and Pepper and Heavy D up in the limousine. Hanging pictures on my wall. Every Saturday, rap attack Mr. Magic Molly Mall. I let my tape rock till my tape pop. Smoking weed and bamboo, sipping on private stock. Way back when I had the red and black lumberjack with the hat to match. Remember rapping Duke? The hard. You never thought that hip hop would take it this far. Now I'm in the limelight cause I rhyme tight. Time to get paid, blow up like the world trade. Born sinner, the opposite of a winner. Remember when I used to eat sardines for dinner? Peace to Ron G, Brucey B, Kid Capri. Funk Master Flex, Love Bug, Star Ski. I'm blowing up like you thought I would. Call a crib, same number, same hood. It's all good. And if you don't know, now you know, you know. I made the change from a common thief to up close and personal with Robin Leach. And I'm far from cheap, I smoke skunk with my peeps all day. Spread love, it's the Brooklyn way. The Moet and Alizé keep me pissy. Girls used to diss me, now they write letters cause they miss me. I never thought it could happen, this rapping stuff. I was too used to packing gats and stuff. Now honeys play me close like butter play toast. From the Mississippi down to the East Coast. Condos in Queens, indo for weeks. Sold out seats to hear Biggie Small speak. Living life without fear. Putting 5 carats in my baby girl ear. Lunches, brunches, interviews by the pool. Considered a fool cause I dropped out of high school. Stereotypes of a black male misunderstood. And it's still all good, And if you don't know, now you know, you know, you know. You know very well who you are. Don't let 'em hold you down. Reach for the stars. Super Nintendo, Sega Genesis. When I was dead broke, man, I couldn't picture this. 50-inch screen, money green leather sofa. Got 2 rides, a limousine with the chauffeur. Phone bill about 2 G's flat. No need to worry, my accountant handles that. And my whole crew is lounging, celebrating every day, no more public housing. Thinking back on my one-room shack. Now my mom pimps an act with minks on her back. And she loves to show me off, of course. Smiles every time my face is up in the sauce. We used to fuss when the landlord dissed us. No heat, wonder why Christmas missed us. Birthdays was the worst days. Now we sip champagne when we thirsty. Damn right, I like the life I live. Cause I went from negative to positive and it's all. And if you don't know, now you know, you know, you know. You know very well who you are. And if you don't know, now you know, you know, you know. And if you don't know, now you know, you know, you know. Let the beat down in the house. Junior Mafia, Mad Flavor.